something came. Well, something came again anyway. We actually had it sent already, but there was a piece in it that was broken, so we had to have it sent to us again, and now we're gonna open it and put it together, and let's see what it is. First, we'll open it up and make sure that everything's in there and that nothing is broken this time. You know, try to make sure of that anyway. That doesn't bode poorly for the kind of quality that we have to look forward to. I hope this was a fluke. Got good reviews, so I'm not expecting any trouble, but better to be safe than sorry. Well, here are the materials it came with. Can't say I've ever seen this before, so apparently it's a white glove project. No, it's not as bougie as it sounds. I have no idea what these are for, but we're gonna find out. Well, here's the piece that was broken before, but it doesn't appear to be broken this time, so I guess we shall proceed. Any guesses yet as to what this is? Here it is, the final product. Can you guess what it is? Ooh, it's moving on its own. It's a composter. So we can make our very own compost with all of our garbage, both indoors and outdoors. Just combine them and make rich, beautiful soil for your garden. At least that's the plan. So there it is. The last time you'll ever see it looking this clean inside. Right, here's the final home. This is the final resting place. This is the final spot for the composter. This is where it will be. And as you can see, we have plenty of stuff to fill it with. So I guess we'll get started on that ASAP.